so we move on to Zig-Zag, week 8. Looks harder than it is. So you can think of it in 8/8. So it'd be like 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8. Or I prefer to just subdivide triplet and triplet and triplet, 4 and triplet and whatever works best for you. So it looks terrible, but it's not that bad. The only thing that is a little tricky about this is there isn't much repeated stuff. So it's not like you learn half of it and you're good to go. So you're going to have to work a little bit more this week. I want you to be able to tell me how I know this is an A minor at your lesson next week. So I'll just play a little bit at the beginning for you to get you the feel. Ready, go. Not too bad, right? Now, I switch my thumb to the B flat thumb key. Measure 3 when you go from the C, because on C you take your thumb off, right? When you go to the A, then I put my thumb on the flat key because you are switching to D harmonic minor. I know this because you have B flats and C sharps. And I think all of you have done D harmonic minor. So starting at 3 with my thumb on the flat key, because I have flats all the way up to measure 5. So I'd probably just slide it over and measure 5 during that, in between the 8th note and the triplet 16th. So measure 3, thumb on the flat key. You ready? Go. And then it repeats basically. Measure 5 I like because it's a lot of chromatic work. You may not like it because it's chromatic work, but if any of you have not had a double sharp, in measure 5 you have an F double sharp. That's what the X is. So if you sharpen F once, it's F sharp, right? If you sharpen it again, you go up to the next note, which is a G natural. So you're going to go G sharp, G natural, G sharp. And then same thing for measure 6 when you have that F double sharp. So measure 7, try to make that, it's not a it has a breath accent on it, which to me tells me it probably needs to be longer and loud at the beginning of the note with some vibrato. Measure 7, beat 3. I'll try it again. And then it goes on. And then I would like you to finish it out through measure 8. So here's measure 8. And then we switch into the key of B flat major in measure 9. How do I know? It's all B flats and E flats. So you want to find a place to put your thumb back on the flat key somewhere in measure 8. You have plenty of opportunities. Notice in measure 8 beats 1, 2, and 3. All exactly the same. Please don't play them the same. Make each one, you can either make one each a little softer, although I like to crescendo on this one, make each one a little louder, but just don't play them all the same. Boring to play it that way, boring to listen to it that way. So crescendo through it until you hit that C sharp, and then you'll take a breath at the end of that line, and in your next video, we will start in measure 9. It's only 8 measures. There's a lot in there, but just take it slow, subdivide, and you'll be fine. So I will see you in the next video for measure 9. Bye.